To be able to create a section, go to the Viewpoint tab and click Enable Sectioning. This will open a new tab, and under this tab you can see how to set up a section. So there are two options. You can use planes or a section box. If you use planes, you can use up to 6 section planes, and you have to turn each one on. And each plane can be aligned to a different angle. It can be aligned to the view, or it can be aligned to the surface. And aligned to surface is the most common use. So we turn on section plane 1. You can move the section planes and you can rotate them. So we're going to turn this on, we're going to align to top, and then to get the section plane where we need to see it, we just move it. So you can just click and drag on the move symbol and it will change the position of the section. You can use your normal navigation tools to reposition your viewpoint. So if we focus back on the Mercedes car, if the move tools disappear, just click and then re-click and it will reappear in the center of your viewpoint. So now you control the viewpoint. We like to use align to surface. So if I want to actually cut a section through the building, I can align to surface. So here I'm going to click the column face, use the move command. So I can pull the section along through the building, so you can see a section through the car. I can rotate the view to get a better perspective. And here I want to get a section to the ramp. So I'm going to move my section plane until I get to the ramp. And I'll check it by rotating my view. So yeah, that's the section I'm looking for. You can also rotate the section. This is not very commonly used, but it's possible. So we want to get a section through the lift core walls, which are at an angle to the building. Now I prefer to use the align to surface. So I get them exposed and I click. And then I can just move the section to the point where I want to get a section through the lift core walls. Another useful feature is the ability to actually link section planes. So if I turn on the section plane 2 and I align that to the bottom, I can lower this slightly so I can see one complete floor with the slab above and below. And then I link the section planes. So now the two section planes are linked together. So when I zoom in, if I choose to move the section planes, it will move both planes together. So I can go from one floor to the lower floor, and I maintain the same distance between the section planes. Now at any point in time you can use the save viewpoint, so you can click the save viewpoint button, or you can right click and save view. So here I'm going to call this a floor section. Now the next thing we're going to do is actually use a section to find something in the model. So I'm looking for the front loader. Oh, there it is. So this is the front loader from the original car park challenge, and I can now spot it. It's actually inside a tank, so it's enclosed. So if I click on the front loader, I can use my view cube and I can jump to select it. And then I can use the move viewpoint tools to get a section I want. So I'll just take it slightly above the actual front loader so I can see the structural beams. And then I can save that viewpoint. Right click, save viewpoint. This is my front loader section. Now this is a good example of, or a good way to show you how to use a section box. So here, click on box, and then fit to selection. So my front loader is selected, so the box is now sitting around my front loader, and I can use the scale command to make the box as big as I like. So I want to expand it around the tank so I can see the full extent of the tank and some of the structure above. So I get a box view. So I can save that as well. So I can save that viewpoint as a section box. These are different sections. Now, an important part of Navisworks is being able to understand where you are. So if you go to the View command, or the View tab, and click on Show Grid, it will give you an actual indication of where you are. So you can see the front loader is at grid line D and on grid line 28. If you want to change the color of the sectioning and get rid of the red, you go to the Navisworks options, click on Interface, and find Sectioning, and you can choose whatever color you like. So in this example, I'm going to change it to a kind of a navy blue or blue-gray. Just resize the window so I can see the OK button. And now the section has actually changed. So you can see now the red has been replaced by the blue-gray. Now this is a global option. So if you now pick on another one of your views, they will also have the same blue-gray cross-section, so all the views are affected the same way.